So the first topic is number systems. It is the introduction to the switching theory and logic design course. First of all, we are all familiar with the decimal number system, but the computers use binary, octal and hexadecimal number systems to perform their operations. Generally, the purpose of any number system is to represent a numerical value. Now, different number systems will have different bases and different set of rules to represent the numbers. First, we will get familiar with the decimal number system. I think we are already familiar with them from our lower classes, but still I want to give you a recheck on this decimal number system, and then we'll continue to the binary number system, octal and hexadecimal number system. So first, we begin our number systems with a familiar decimal number system. So this system uses 10 unique symbols to represent all the numerical values. Hence we say that the base or radix of the system is 10. Generally, base means the number of unique symbols used by the system to represent the numerical values. So as we are using 10 unique symbols, we call it as decimal number system. So those 10 unique symbols are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is a positional weighted system. So the value of the symbol depends on its position with respect to the decimal point. For example, in this decimal representation, now it is a number. Okay, so D0, all D stands for different symbols actually. So D0, the place value of D0 is 10 power 0, D1 10 power 1, D2 10 power 2, D3 10 power 3. So to the left, the value increases in the powers of 10. To the right of the decimal point, the place value will be 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 4, and so on. And it is 10 power minus k. So this is what we call as a positional weighted system. Now generally, I have taken an example here. 4,25,613.254. This 4 and this 4 both are the same symbols, but their values are different because they are placed at different positions in the given number. The place value of this 4 is 4 lakhs and the place value of this 4 is 0.004. So this is an example to show that this decimal number system is a positional weighted system. Also, the leftmost significant digit is called the most significant digit, and the rightmost digit is called as the least significant digit, because the value of this 4 is 10 power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 power 5. The value of this 4 is 10 power minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So, among all the places, this place has the highest value and this place has the lowest value. Hence, it is most significant digit and this is the least significant digit. Now, the value of the decimal number in the decimal representation is given by dn into 10 power n. That means, now I think by looking at the equation you can understand. The value of a number is given by the sum of the products of the symbols with their respect to column weights. That's it.